Welcome to APAC Braid Academy. In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to section the hair like a professional. Let's begin. Professional braiding starts long before the first braid. The way you divide the head determines the balance and appearance of the final style. Begin by creating working sections. This helps keep the hair organized and prevents confusion as you braid. Before sectioning, you must know the parts of the head. First, you have the temple. Then you have the sides. Then you have the apex, which is the top of the head here. Then you have the crown, which is a circular area here. Think of crown. And then you have the nape of the head. This is the nape. And then, of course, you have the middle sections behind each ear. Knowing these points will help you create a cleaner section as you braid. Let's create a middle part. First, you want to begin here in the middle of the head. Middle, going all the way back. So you can use your rat tail comb and take your time. And if it's not correct at first, go ahead and begin again. Start from the middle. And then part. Use clips to help keep sections separated and neat. Like that. One beginner mistake is focusing on individual parts without considering the overall pattern. Remember, professional results begin with professional planning. This wraps up today's lesson on sectioning the hair like a professional. Practice sectioning the head before moving on to braiding. Remember, continue on to the next lesson in the playlist. I'll see you at the next class in APAC Braid Academy.